国际新闻来看，美国总统川普甲以色列总理纳坦雅胡昨伫白宫做伙开记者会。川普表示讲，美国准备要接管加沙，让巴勒斯坦的民众通伫加沙以外的所在生活。也毋过，巴勒斯坦驻联合国特使是表示讲，应该爱尊重巴勒斯坦的百姓选择回去故乡的愿望。目前上新的消息是，沙烏地阿拉伯嘛强烈表示反对，約旦嘛表示講無排除要甲以色列開戰。
美国总统川普和以色列的总理纳坦雅胡在白宫针对加沙走廊停火的情景和结束战争这议题会面。纳坦雅胡嘛变做川普第二个任期都就任以来第一个访问白宫的外国领导人。
The U.S. will take over the Gaza Strip, and we will do a job with it too. We'll own it. And be responsible for dismantling all of the dangerous unexploded bombs and other weapons on the site. I don't want to be cute, I don't want to be a wise guy, but the Riviera of the Middle East, this could be something that could be so bad, this could be so magnificent.
虽然讲中东有真侪个进程都已经讲完，但是川普嘛是建议讲加沙伫中间的期间，伫加沙以外的所在定安置巴勒斯坦人，而且用永久这个词。采访记者这个时阵嘛翕到纳坦雅胡的嘴巴翘起嚟，敢若在笑。
If we can get a beautiful area to resettle people permanently in nice homes and where they can be happy and not be shot.
Our homeland is our homeland. If part of it is destroyed, the Gaza Strip, the Palestinian people selected the choice to return to it. We should be respecting the selections and the wishes of the Palestinian people.
伊讲川普阁签行政命令，宣布美国退出联合国的人权理事会，而且停止向联合国禁东巴勒斯坦难民救济和公定处提供资金。伊认为联合国必须要做更加好。川普伫第一任期的时阵，就要以人权理事会对以色列有偏见，无法度有效保护人权做理由退出人权理事会。公司新闻黄文玲编译。